Welcome to my channel. Boost Wi-Fi range using another router. Easy step-by-step guide. Step 1. Check router compatibility. Make sure the second router supports repeater mode, bridge mode, or access point (AP) mode. Step 2. Reset the second router. Factory reset it to avoid old settings causing conflicts. Step 3. Place the second router correctly. Position it where the main Wi-Fi signal is still strong, not too far. Step 4. Connect to the second router. Use a LAN cable or Wi-Fi and open its admin page, usually 192.168.1.1. Step 5. Log in to router settings. Enter the admin username and password. Check the router label, manual. Step 6. Enable repeater, AP mode. Choose repeater mode, wireless extension, or choose access point mode, best performance with LAN cable. Step 7. Connect to main router Wi-Fi. If using repeater mode, select your main Wi-Fi and enter its password. Step 8. Set Wi-Fi name and password. You can keep the same SSID for seamless roaming, or a different name. Step 9. Save settings and reboot. Apply changes and let the router restart completely. Step 10. Test the extended network. Move to weak signal areas and check speed, signal strength, and stability. Thanks for watching.